Emission machine na ginagamit na 7 araw na may 130 total meters. Ito naman ang printer head, capping, head clean, punasan ng wiper pagkatapos mag-head clean. After head clean, nozzle check. Ang system, tama lang po. Ground wire, EBR, waste tank, tilinis lang po ito ng Friday. Ito naman ang stock namin na si MYK. Ito naman ang aming consumable monitoring. Cyan, magenta, yellow, black, sublimation paper. Ito naman ang aming daily output record monitoring. Ito naman ang aming printer daily checklist.